Are you ready to take your iPhone footage to the next level? I've been on a mission for years to get the best video footage from the iPhone, and I might have finally found the secret. The Sherpa series ND filters and anamorphic lenses. Yeah, that's right, no more overly sharp, easily recognizable iPhone footage. With these tools, you might be just able to achieve the 180-degree shutter rule and create stunning B-roll footage that will leave your audience wondering what kind of camera you've been using. Don't believe me? Just take a look at these shots.